let's talk about added stops. One of the most annoying parts. And again, I saw a couple of people put in the comments their most annoying. Trying to fit too many passengers in is definitely one of them. Steve, thanks for the super chat. Appreciate
Hang
that.
around, Steve. Hang around. Thank you.
Yeah, hang around. We're going to be talking about something big that you're going to be happy about. As I was saying, added stops, one of the worst. Definitely fitting in too many passengers, or that person that's in the back that says, "Oh, hey, Mighty Taco," or I mean, not Mighty. You guys don't have Mighty Taco. Taco Bell looks really good. Can we stop there?
No. Yeah.
All right, but we got added stops today that we're going to highlight.
Yeah, this is from Trent in Florida. Great driver. Behind the wheel. We did it behind the wheel with this next topic that we're going to talk about, illegal accounts and stuff. He actually rented his account. Please go watch it. What's happening in the delivery world. He rented his Doordash account on illegal, actually. A couple of weeks ago, I had a passenger at a stop right after I accepted it. I was a little upset because I needed to be somewhere. Okay. When they got in the car, the lady told me she does that because people don't take trips with stops. Okay. That because with stops, and she didn't want to wait, and she was late for work. Okay, to that lady, breaking news: get your butt out of bed earlier. Okay. So on my way, I told her I had to stop for gas. Now that is a no-no in my book. Okay. You need to be ready to work. I don't know if he did that on purpose. He probably did. So on my way, I told her to stop for gas. She got upset with me. But I told her, sorry, I just have to stop. She told me that that's not fair because I'm going to be late for work. And I told her, well, her stop is making me late for my function. Okay, this is getting a little bit of a, Mexican standoff here. After we got gas, I told her I had to go to the bathroom. And and she said I wasn't going to do that. Like she told me, supposedly the rider told him, don't do it. I told her, when you do that, meaning at a stop after you get in the car, it's no different than what I'm doing to you. She said, but you get paid for the stops. And I said, no, we do not. She had no idea. She thought we were getting paid very well for the stops because she gets charged a lot extra. No kidding. This needs to change. Why is Uber grabbing a bulk of that, as opposed to giving it to the driver? Okay. I told her it's fine that she has stopped, but she needs to do it before the requesting the trip, because it's pretty upsetting to the driver. So, and then somebody responded, Urban Explorer X, passengers often don't realize that adding stops doesn't come with extra pay for drivers. It's 100% correct. Now, Chris, let's say you're building a house, right? You're dealing with a contractor. We are contractors, aren't we? Independent contractors? Okay. As the homeowner, or you have the plans ready, architects drawn the plans, the house is getting real, framing is going up, whatever, right? Right about there, when framing is done, you go, well, can we make this room a little bit bigger? So that's called an order change or an additional order. Do you think that independent contractor, the person building the house, is going to say, yeah, no problem, I'll do it on my dime? Do you think that's going to happen? I know for a fact that every construction job, if you do a change order, you get ripped, bro, right? So in this case, Uber is definitely on a change, or adding a stop is ripping the rider, but not sharing most of that anyway, is going to Uber, and it's not going to the contractor. So I am definitely actually forwarded this to Uber. We're going to work on this. This is one other thing that needs to change. So yeah, I it's my number one negative about rideshare. Number one, because riders are also shrewd now. They know, just like this lady said, when they put the stop ahead of time, nobody's picking them up because they see them. It says multiple stops. They're getting in the car, ding, they're doing it there. I think what Uber and Lyft should do, right then and there, they should give the driver the choice, when the stop is added, to accept the stop or decline the stop, right? I mean, like an extra ping, maybe. All right, it shouldn't be this way. This is horrible. Or whatever you're charging the rider extra, pay the whole thing to the driver, because they're the ones that are going to wait. They're the ones that are going to get out of the way. What if you add a stop that's 30 miles longer than I want to go, right? I mean, there's a lot of downside with this adding stop bullshit. So,
yeah.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Yeah, it is a real problem. The other side too is the weight where you were talking about. That needs to definitely be adjusted. If they're going to skim a little off the top, hey, fine, whatever. But to take the bulk of that, that's absolutely insane.
Yeah,
that's ridiculous. That's why you get 5 minutes. If you're not out in 5 minutes, take your stuff, because otherwise it'll be on the side of the road or the side of the parking spot or wherever it is.
Well, the riders are not stupid. They hold you hostage. You know what they do? Like, they're going to go somewhere, right? They leave their purse in the car, or they leave something behind.
That's why you tell them to take
it.
So
it's called
that's called an anchor. For those who don't know,
anchor,
that's called an anchor. Don't allow them to leave anchors in the car. Tell them, look,
absolutely,
5 minutes at the stop. If you are not out in 5 minutes, the ride has to end, and you need to take your stuff with you if you think you're going to be longer than 5 minutes.
Yeah,
and that's that.
Yeah, do you tell them take your shit with you? I think stop in my market is 3 minutes, but you're going to go longer than that, especially if they're drunk. They want you to go through in and out drive-through or some shit.
Yeah.
But look, you gotta. I think this is the next area of rideshare that needs to be looked at and changed, reasonably for everyone. I mean, I do understand some people do add extra stops. I get it. But the compensation is not there, and also on the wait, right? It's up to 7 minutes now. They charge the rider a shit ton of money for wait time, and they pay the driver pennies out of that. Well, I don't think they should, on cancellations, on adding stops, on extra time. Uber and Lyft should not even take the money. Whatever, we're the ones in the car burning gas and waiting. And why is Uber taking the bulk of it? I'm not sure.
What are they? They're not doing anything at that point. The fare's already connected. The fare's already been handled.
Exactly. So we need to work on this. So let's do it. But yeah.
Yep. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.